Hello! In this video we're going to talk about using a testing tool for MQTTS. That means sending a secure messages via MQTT protocol from client to server. And for this purpose we will use the site called test-mosquitto.org. In order to do it, we have to generate three files: a private key for the client, a client certificate, and a server certificate. And in this video we will demonstrate how we can generate those files and also an example of simple message transcription from a publisher to subscriber. We will open 4 windows, just to be clear, in some directory that we created. The directory here is empty. And please note that we have OpenSSL installed, so we can run it from every directory, so the path of OpenSSL is in our system. The first step is by OpenSSL is to generate the private key. For this we will use the following command: OpenSSL generate a client key. This will be our private key. The next step, on the basis of the client key, we will generate the request for the client certificate. So we will use OpenSSL and we will generate file client SSR key on the basis of client key. Here he will ask us the following data. The very important from this from the side point of view that we are using to enter three fields: country, organization, and your name. Okay, our country will be US. If we will put dot, that means this field will be left empty. Our organization will be IoT devices, and our name will be Sims. The other fields are not important. Here you can see that we have 2 files in our directory. And in order to generate the client certificate, we will use this file to ask the server to generate the client certificate. Let's see this file. We will just copy it, go to the server, note that this is a path with SSL at the end, and we'll submit it. We will want to save it on disk. If we will not fill the required fields like country, organization, and name, the site won't respond correctly and will refuse to generate the client certificate. Here you can see the client certificate, and we will put the client certificate to our main directory from downloads directory. Just to check what we got 3 files. But please note that Firefox added the .txt extension to our client CRT, which is not which is not possible for our use. So we will rename the file this file without the txt extension. Okay, and now we have a private key and the client certificate. The next step will be download the server certificate. So we will go to the Mosquitto test Mosquitto or org file, and we'll take the PEM file. We will save it, and we see it now inside our downloads, and we will put it in our directory. Now we have 3 required files in the directory, which are client certificate, server certificate, and client key, the private key. In this stage, we can subscribe to a secure server. We'll use Mosquitto sub with the host test Mosquitto organization, with the topic test, and with port 8884. Our server certificate has the following name. You see we have it here in the directory. This is our key, client.key, that we started from, and this is our client certificate. So we have an error. Okay, now it worked, luckily. Now we have subscribed to the test site. Here we will publish a message. Mosquitto pub. We will use the client certificate that we have, our private key, our client certificate, the host, the testmosquitto.org, and the message will be hello world. It will be in topic test via the following port. The -d command says that we will want to show us every stage that the system is doing. Okay, now we are connecting because we put D, so he's writing us all the clients, and now it's published. Let's see, and here we have hello world in our subscription. Now we have demonstrated the simple way of creating a private key, client certificate, server certificate, and send a message via Mosquitto test broker in the secure way. Thank you.